Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking features and official details of the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With Samsung's latest flagship on the horizon, it's time to explore what sets this device apart and how it could revolutionize the smartphone industry. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to elevate smartphone performance to unprecedented heights. One of the standout features is the powerful chipset choices Samsung is offering. For global markets, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon H Gen 4. Recent Geekbench benchmarks have revealed that the Snapdragon H Gen 4 paired with the 12 gigabytes of RAM achieves impressive scores of 2884 in single-core and 88840 in multi-core tests. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about performance. It also brings a fresh design language that sets it apart from its predecessors. While exact details are still under wraps, leaks suggest that the S25 Ultra will feature a sleek, modern design with a refined aesthetic. The rumored ultra-slim profile combined with high-quality materials promises a premium feel and an eye-catching look. The primary camera sensor may continue with the 200 megapixel resolution found in previous models, offering exceptional clarity and precision. The integration of advanced AI features is set to revolutionize the user experience. Samsung's new RAM chips and AI capabilities are expected to deliver a more intuitive and seamless interaction, enhancing everything from daily tasks to complex applications. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game changer in the smartphone market. With its powerful Snapdragon H Gen 4 chipset, cutting-edge design, advanced camera system, and innovative AI features, it's set to challenge the best in the industry, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max. As we await the official release, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's impressive specs and features promise to deliver a performance boost like no other. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we continue to explore the latest in tech and innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Samsung and beyond. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the comments below, and join the conversation about the future of mobile technology.